Good day, everyone. Now, welcome back to my channel. Now, today let's take up another drawing in Autodesk Inventor. So, as we go along, we'll be learning additional tools that we can use in creating drawings in Autodesk Inventor. Now, for those who haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Now, the figure looks like this. We'll draw this one now. This figure is not that difficult. No? So if this is the figure, the best thing that we can do is to start drawing this profile here. Okay. Now the length here is 40, height is 20 plus 35, that is 55. Now this is 20, and this one is also 20. So let's open Inventor and have a new part file. Part file, I mean. Okay. Now let's start our drawing. Let's start our drawing on the YZ plane. So from the figure, I will draw a line. Distance is 40, and the height is 55. We have that. Now from the figure, the height here is 20, and the length here is also 20. So continuing, we draw a line. Height is 20, and another line here, also 20. So this is what we have. Now your problem will be this portion here of the profile. You're only given a radius of 25. So we need to draw a circle with a radius of 25, and that circle must be tangent to this line here. Correct? And that circle passes exactly at the end point of this line. So probably we could draw a line here, but we do not know the length of the line, so let's draw a line with that length. Now I draw a circle here. Radius is 25. I will use the tangent constraint. Now this circle should be tangent to this line. 1. And this circle passes to the end point of the line. So I will use the coincident constraint, this one. I click on the circle and I click the end point of the line. So that is how that portion is formed. I use my trim tool. I trim this portion also, and this portion. So what I have is that one, and I have a fully constrained drawing. I click on Finish Sketch. Now this is 70, so extrude. So the profile is selected automatically. I select on the symmetric extrude, and then the value type 70. This is what I have. Visual style, and then have a realistic view. Okay. Now going back to the figure, I will draw this portion here. Now the length is 100. Now the height is 12 and the width is 26. Okay, so I click on sketch, I select this one, and then I project this geometry, and then I draw a line here, something like that. Now this one is 12. Now this one is 26. And line here, this is 26. And another line. And then I select vertical constraint. There you go. So I have a fully constrained drawing there, which is of course sketch number 2. Now I click on finish sketch. I go back to my drawing. This is 12. This is 26. Now extruded value is 100. I extrude that one on opposite direction. Now the value is 100. Follow? Now let's go back to our drawing. So I have a line from this point, from the end point going back, and then the distance is 10. So I click on this face. I may have this one projected, and then I draw a line from that point to that point there, and then I dimension from the end point to here. It should be 10. I click on finish sketch. I click on extrude that one. I select a cut option to next. So that is what I have. That is at the end portion there. Okay. And then I go back to my drawing. Now from this edge to the center here, I have a value of 36. Radius 16. Correct? So I click on that. I project the geometry. I'm sorry. I project the geometry probably with that one, and then I draw a line starting here. Now the height is 36. And then I change my line to a construction line. And my circle there is as a radius of 16. So I click on circle, I find this endpoint, and then the radius is 16. I use my trim tool, I will trim this and this. I click on finish sketch, that is what I have. And then I extrude this portion opposite distance to next, which means up to the next. I click on OK. That is what I have now. And then lastly, I have a diameter 12, depth is 16. So I click here. I project the geometry. I click here. I change to diameter. Diameter is 12. Click. I click on extrude with the cut. Now the height is 16. Type 16. I click on OK. And here we have a fillet. I click on fillet. I have a value to mem. I select this, and then I select that, and then I have that. Change my material. My favorite material is, what is that material? Chrome polish. So this is the figure. This is the figure we have. So you see how easy it is to draw simple figures in Inventor. So if you like my video lecture, video tutorial, kindly click on subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.